My name is Ellen, and I'm an AME volunteer. I've volunteered for the organization for over a dozen years, and for me, it's a labor of love. If you're already an AME volunteer, thank you for your service. And if you're thinking about becoming a volunteer, you've come to the right place. I encourage you to look around our website and see what opportunities there are that you think would best fit with what it is you're looking for and what your strengths are. AME would not be what it is without the contributions of its amazing volunteer base. Each year, AME holds the largest lean conference in the world. In addition to the AME staff, there are over 100 volunteers, some of whom work for 3 years to help plan and execute that conference. If you're thinking about volunteering, I encourage you to fill out the form at the bottom of our volunteer webpage. A copy of that form will come to me, as well as to the AME office, and we'll be in touch soon. We'd love to hear what it is you're interested in and how you think you can help AME. If you're already an AME volunteer, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for all that you do. I hope to see you at a future AME event.